So you might be getting into a situation on ChatGPT where you keep getting a little pop-up that tells you that basically your chat is denied. So maybe your access is denied or something like that. And that can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, you're just going to want to double check your internet connection. So go ahead and make your way over into your settings application. And all you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that your particular, your settings app, your Wi-Fi connection, and your cell connection, you want to make sure that these particular connections are set up properly. Because there's a lot of times where sometimes your Wi-Fi connection, your cell connection might be having some issues. So go ahead, try restarting that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for the most part. If you do that and that's not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is to close out of ChatGPT and restart it. So if you're in the application, just simply close out of it, give it a few seconds, open it back up. Or if you're within the website, you can just go ahead and just close out of the website and reopen it up. And that could very well end up fixing the problem as well. You can also try either using a different type of device or a different account temporarily, or try updating the ChatGPT application. So you can either try updating the application or using a different web browser or something like that. And that could very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. That's another really big thing that might end up fixing it for you. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. If that's still not working, you might have to make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downrightnow.com. One of these types of websites that basically show you what's up and what's down. And you're basically just going to have to, if it's on there, you're just basically going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing that problem. So in terms of that, that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.